Absolutely, ma'am. In fact, please, I'll request you to stay on with us. I'd like to introduce to the viewers these points that you have been mentioning. India and Russia are likely to reach agreements on 9 key areas during President Putin's visit. India may purchase new S-400 air defense systems and consider acquiring 2 to 3 squadrons of the Su-57 fighter jets. Talks will also focus on Russia's Pantsir air defense system and the possible procurement of the Voronezh radar. Both navies will expand maritime exercises as well. India's RuPay card may soon be accepted in Russia, while Russia's MIR card could become valid in India, alongside plans to link UPI with Russia's FPS. Discussions may also pave the way for Indian workers to find new job opportunities in Russia and open doors to fresh partnerships in aircraft and ship manufacturing. Joyita ma'am, when we were talking about these defense deals, you have also mentioned how India is trying to reduce its dependence, it's trying to diversify as well from that 70 to 36% now. But we are also looking at, ma'am, technology transfer. I think that's very important when we talk about Make in India, when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat. And Russia seems to be that pragmatic country that is willing to offer all kinds of help on that front. It is ready for technology transfer, it is ready for built-in production lines in India, which helps and which actually pushes forward our Make in India agenda as well, ma'am, even in the defense sector.
Yes, in fact, one of the most successful aspects of India-Russia defense relationship has been the technology transfer part of it, primarily because you see, when you look at our nuclear submarine project that started, now it was only Russia that was willing to transfer technology to us, and we have been pretty successful in taking that forward. Now, but as I said, Su-57, there's a problem with Su-57. We had rejected it once already. Now, so we have to see whether those hurdles that we raised, with the points that we raised, have been taken care or not, taken care of or not. Now, when we are talking about technology transfer, one of the most successful, I would say, programs has been the BrahMos. You see, and the BrahMos, to the extent, and now there are countries, I would say even countries aligned towards, if not aligned, I mean relatively non-aligned perhaps, towards the, Philippines and all. They are all, Philippines, Indonesia, they all want our BrahMos. The Americans, and this actually started in the time of Barack Obama, who, I mean, no one is as short-sighted as Donald Trump. You have to look at it this way. Short-sighted, clueless when it comes to Donald Trump and his people. Barack Obama was intelligent enough, foresighted enough. So we literally had, quote-unquote, America's blessings to sell BrahMos to these countries around the South China Sea, because the focus at that time was about containing China. And China, with its, the kind of dominance that China has been trying to do of the South China Sea, to prevent that, India is a very important power in that region. So as a result of which we have been selling our BrahMos and all, America kind of said, yes, go ahead. So, but then Mr. Trump is a different thing altogether. So, most important is, yes, technology transfer. The other point is that the Russians generally don't have a kill switch.
Right.
Kill switch can be a major problem, which the US has.
Right.
And one of the reasons why we are kind of not going into absolutely critical military equipment sale from the US yet. Although I would say Biden had also given us this that F404 engine, GE engine. So Biden was also, I would say, sagacious enough to give us that.
Right.
So it's all about containing, understanding the larger focus, but at the same time, let's not make the mistake of thinking that in case of I hope not, in case of, or rather let's put it this way, in case of any potential conflict between between India and China, where will Russia stand? You
Right.
see, this is a very important, because there is, whatever
Absolutely, ma'am.
China and Russia they might be talking about, there is no RIC, because C there is a major problem.
Right.
C is an
Right.
aggressive.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on this broadcast and sharing those valuable perspectives. Meanwhile, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and the Russian Defense Minister